My lord, my appearance is for the defendants. Most of
All
the
right.
effort.
Okay, yes, please.
My lord, the matter is for further mention, my lord. How be it, my lord? My lord, the defendant has an application before your lordship. My lord, the extant application is
All right.
dated. My lord, the extant application is dated 5th day of May 2025, my lord. It's a house cleaning application.
I'm sorry, my lord, I am not aware of that application.
What is the application for, please?
It's an application for extension of time. The defendant had filed a statement of defense late. The defendant now seeks to regularize its position. That's just it, my lord. It's innocuous.
Yes, claimant counsel, do you have any objection to that application?
My lord, I do not have objection. I only seek to be served even subsequently. I need to have the copy of that application in my file.
Oh, my lord. Very much. The claimants,
Naturally.
my lord.
The defendant counsel is ordered to serve the claimant counsel with that copy of the application.
As the call, please.
So move in terms of your application, please.
Very my lord. My lord, the application before your lordship is dated the 5th day of May 2025. My lord, we move in terms of the said application. And we urge your lordship to grant the orders as prayed. Most grateful.
It's granted as prayed, be that as there is no objection to it.
As God please.
Yes. Yes. Any other thing?
My lord, we have already filed our reply to that application. We humbly also pray that our reply be deemed as having been filed within time. My lord, I will quickly refer to the reply, the date of filing. My lord, the claimant's reply
to the defense. The reply to the defense.
Yes, my lord, reply to defense was filed on the 26th June 2025, my lord.
All right. All right. Okay, so now we are ready and good to.
My lord, we are ready, my lord. My lord, consequently, shall be asking for a date for trial.
All right. There is no chance of any settlement.
My lord, we are open to settlement if the defendant make an offer.
All right, we'll adjourn the matter and then we give a date for a adoption of settlement house or a trial.
Very well, my lord.
25th of June.
Is that okay?
My lord, I will come to it. 25 June is a Thursday. 25 June. It's convenient, my lord.
To bring the diary.
My lord, it's convenient.
The office to bring diary.
Not 25th June.
All right, matter is adjourned to 25th day of June 2026 for a hearing.
Yes, God, please. Please.
We have called the next case. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Have a nice day. I can call the next case, please.
Yes, my lord.
Number NICS/LA/106/2025 between Monsieur Ludare Olasu Kemi and Four City Monument Bank Limited. The Lord, the matter is for mention. Are parties in court?
Office time.
No parties are absent.
The one that we write dates.
Yes.
May the copy, please. S.O. Ozo. Ozo is spelled UZUH. for the claimant.
Yes. Is the defendant counsel around?
My lord,
Yes.
the defendants have been served and they have responded. The defendant has responded by filing a statement of defense, albeit out of time, and I have a motion to regularize the application. But in the absence of defendants' counsels before your lordship, the application cannot be moved.
Naturally.
Maybe they are not aware of today. Maybe they are not aware of today's proceedings. I will apply for earliest possible date, my lord.
Akpan, give me a date.
June 3rd.
Is it for, my lord, is it for further mention?
Other
Of course.
mention.
My lord, if my lord adjourns for trial, that will now prepare them to come to court. This matter is for mention, they didn't come. I urge my lord to adjourn for trial. If on that day they regularize, no problem. We can still take a day for trial. But if my lord adjourn for mention, they may not still be serious about this matter. I was told
Counsel, I want to ask you, when last did you speak with them?
the last time I spoke with them, that was last year, when they were calling me, asking me which court. I told them the court of Justice, Honorable Justice Gwandu. They were asking me which date. So I gave them the dates that the matter was initially stated for. But unfortunately, the court wasn't disclosed. So they are aware that the matter is before my lord. And I expected them to also be eager to follow up to know the next adjourned date.
Well, this is your case. It is your duty to make sure that you've spoken with them. You can't say you've spoken with them last year and then you come to court this morning without knowing about their whereabouts. I was thinking that at
I
least
thought
early from the beginning of this week, you should have informed them to remind them. Akpan, do they have a notice? Are they on notice?
Although they are aware because the matter is coming up for the first time and we do issue hearing notices.
at the court places.
It's coming up for the first time.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, I'm going to adjust this matter for further mention. Give me a short date.
3rd June, my lord.
Okay.
3rd June. It's coming, my lord.
All right. Hearing notice is ordered to be served on the defendants. The proof to be filed. Case adjourned for further mention on the 3rd day of June 2026. Yes, please. Call the next case.
So number NICN/LA/189/2025 between Gwendolyn Nwankwo and Surrey Estate Limited. My lord, the matter is for mention. Are parties in court? No parties are absent.
All right. Yes, counsel. Nobody is here. The matter is for what? It's supposed to be for mention.
For mention, my lord.
Okay, send them hearing notice. Give me a date.
3rd June, my lord.
Okay, hearing notice is ordered to be served on the parties. The proof to be filed. Case ordered for further mention. For mention on the 3rd day of June 2026.
As court places. Why?
Yes.
So number NICN/LA/217/2025 between Ayodele Kasumu, and 23 others, and one IGO Pension Managers Limited and FCMB Pensions Limited. My Lord, the matter is for mention. Are parties in court? No parties are absent.
All right. Yes, Council.
With total respect to this honorable court, sir, I am
Yes.
O Okoroye for the claimant.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okoroye is
Oh, yeah.
P-O-R-I-E.
Yes.
Well, my lord, it appears the concept for this defendant is not present. I personally got wind of this date Friday. I mean, late Thursday rather. And then there was no clarity as to the procedures. It was early this morning that I got in touch with the registrars to be given this link. So perhaps my colleague is not even aware, but we have been both following the matter in court, except for the public holidays.
The matter is to come up for mention.
Information, my lord. Information, my lord.
All right. Give me a short date, Akwan.
Yes, my Lord. June 2nd, my Lord.
June 2nd. Is that okay?
My lord, I'm trying to confirm. It's a Tuesday, it's convenient, sir.
All right.
To my
All right. Hearing notice is ordered to be served on the defendant and counsel, the proof to be filed. Case adjourned to the 2nd day of June 2026. For further mention. Please.
As corporaces.
Yeah. Well. Call the next case, Akpan.
Yes, my Lord. So number NICS/LA/402/2016 between Mrs. Francisca Pablo and Access Bank PLC. My Lord, the matter is for report of settlement. Are parties in court?
No, parties are not in court.
No parties are absent.
All right.
May you please this honorable court. I know, appearing for the claimant.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Yes.
My Lord. Respectfully, my Lord. Akimokun. Akimokun appearing for the defendant, Access Bank PLC.
All right.
Yes, my lord, today is slated for report of settlement. I wanted to inform my lord and this honorable court of us wanting and my client wanting to settle this case. We have been dragging along for a while now. And we are ready to pay the 10 million in settlement for the exchange of the original title documents of the claimant's property, as well as a letter written of non-indebtedness after the payment of the 10 million to the defendant. That is where we are. That is our stance in this case right now, my lord. We are ready to settle, and we want to also pay the 10 million that is being owed to Access Bank, as well as an exchange for the original title documents of the claimant, as well as a letter of non-indebtedness, as soon as the 10 million is being paid to the defendants. That is our position, my lord.
My Lord.
Yes.
This has been the position for quite a time now. This has been the position. We've not even left that stage at all for a while now. And we have exchanged various correspondence in this regard. And the bank's position has remained the same. A letter of non-indebtedness in the first place wasn't even part of the terms of settlement. But we have no issues with that. We had reached out to the bank, and the bank has said they would issue the letter of indebtedness. But that can only be issued if the check in respect of that 10 million naira is already given to the bank, because the bank cannot take any step to meet with the management if there is no evidence of such payment. So the management cannot even approve a letter of non-indebtedness if they have not seen a draft or a check issuing that money to them. So that's been the position, and we've not seen anything in respect to that. If the claimants are ready to do that, give us the draft or the check, then we will take step and liaise with the bank to ensure that the letter of indebtedness is issued. The bank is ready to do what they need to do, but the bank cannot take that step unless that draft or the check is issued and given to us. So without that, we can't even take any step as to writing or issuing any letter of indebtedness, that even the bank is actually just going out of its way to even do that in the first place. So without that, the management cannot even approve any letter of indebtedness without a draft of that, a check issuing that 10 million naira. Without that, my lord, that has been our position. And like we've always said, the defendant has been responsive in regards to the settlement. As a matter of fact, the terms of settlement has been executed, but because of this particular obstacle, we have not been able to move from this step, my lord.
This is simple. Since the claimant is willing and able to pay the 10 million naira, you can have a settlement terms that will read that in exchange for the 10 million, the bank is going to issue a letter of non-indebtedness and also give the documents to the particular property that is held by the bank for the claimant. You understand?
Yes, my lord.
And then once you have that kind of agreement, you go ahead and issue they've already signed that. If you give it to them, they will give you. It's simple.
Yes,
In
my
fact, my
lord.
lord, that's the content of our terms of settlement, my lord. The content of the term states that upon payment by the claimant, the bank would issue or give the original title document.
And
Now,
I
the
don't see any
extra left
problem
to
here.
it is to issue the non-indebtedness. So we don't know why the claimant have not taken that step to say, okay, let's come together. Here is the draft. Then the bank will say, okay, let's go forward to issue the letter of indebtedness and as well give the original
I
title
don't see
document
any
to the
problem
claimant.
here. A
My
claimant,
lord.
I don't know whether the council understand what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I don't think, but my lord, I believe what you're trying to say, or what my honorable court and the honorable court is trying to
If
say,
there is
is that a letter
there
of
are
indebtedness should
settlement
be
terms to
input.
that effect,
Yes, in the terms of settlement, that as soon as
then
we
you don't have any
exchange,
problem.
we have no problem. If that is put in the terms of settlement, we have no problem. That as soon as the 10 million naira draft is given to the defendant, that the letter of indebtedness will be issued out to the claimant. If that is written in the terms of settlement and is executed, we have no issue, my lord.
Okay, then go ahead, draw up that kind of terms, give it to them, and let them look at it and sign and bring back.
Yes, my lord.
So when are we coming back for that?
It's subject to convenience of my lord, but we will need time to also correspond with a draft of the terms of settlement that we both myself and the defense counsel can look at and draft, so that we can file the terms of settlement as well as making a consent judgment.
Well, until you bring the terms of settlement,
Yes, my
we'll
lord.
cross that bridge when we come to it. Then we'll go ahead and give the consent judgment of court.
Yes, your lord.
There is no problem here.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
The Lord, 10th of June.
So, is that okay for you?
10th of June. Yes, it's convenient, my lord.
1 second, my lord. It's convenient, my lord.
God spare our lives till then. Matter adjourned to the 10th day of June for consent judgment on the 10th day of June.
As court
As
pleases.
As court pleases.
the court pleases.
Yes. Hold the next case.
Yes, Suit number NICN/LA
Akwan, call the
/3.
next case, please.
Yes, my lord. Suit number NICN/LA/360/2022 between Mr. Ide Maxwell Sampson and One Cifras Groups of Companies Limited and Sky Capital and Financial Allies International Limited. My lord, the matter is for report of settlement. Are parties in court?
Yes.
Yes, counsel. Yes, counsel. Any counsel?
Somebody said yes.
My counsel is in court.
Respectfully, my lord.
No parties are absent.
I think the claimant is online.
The claimant is in court, my lord, is online. Good morning, my lord.
Okay.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, my lord. Abisola Arinola, Mrs.
Yes.
I respectfully announce her appearance for the claimant. With me, my friend, I.O. Babolujo, my lord.
Okay.
Our humble appearance is for the claimant. I'm grateful, my lord.
All right. Yes.
I am not sure if the defense counsel, Mr. Ladipo, is on the call. But my lord, maybe I should just proceed to report the stage of settlement.
Yes, please.
Well, I'm pleased to inform my lord that parties have we've been speaking, and as of now we have a draft terms of settlement. We have a draft terms of settlement that learned counsel for the defendants has passed on to us. At the moment, we are reviewing, and hopefully at the next adjournment that my lord would give us, we'll be able to report final settlement. And I hope we would have filed the terms of settlement to be made a consent judgment of the honorable court. That is the position, my lord.
All right. That's okay then. When are we coming back?
My lord?
When are we coming back for the terms of settlement?
I didn't get that.
I said, when are we coming back for the consent judgment of court?
Listen to what I'm saying and say I will fix it for you. I say, if you can wait, I give you
Okay, it's still there.
June 17th, my lord.
All right. Matter adjourned to the for consent judgment on the 17th day of June 2026.
As call places.
Yes, call the next case, please.
Yes, my lord.
Sorry, my lord.
Yes.
I'm sorry, I think network locked me out.
Yeah, okay. Akwan, give her the proposed date.
17th day of June.
17th June. Noted, my lord. Thank you very much, my lord.
All right. Call the next case, please.
Give me the rocks.
Yes, my lord.
Uh-huh.
Suit number NICN/LA/600/2015 between Mrs. Dena Rose Ajayi and EcoBank Nigeria Limited. Supposed to do this. See.
Yes.
Present, my lord.
Good morning, my lord.
Good morning.
May it please this honorable court cease your minogo. My
Yes,
humble
Omenego.
appearance is for the claimants, my lord.
All right.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Akunya. I appear with CA Oba for the defendant.
Okay.
Yes, my lord. We have an application before this honorable court. We have an application before this honorable court. The application is a motion notice for extension of time and for other prayers.
The application is for what?
The application is for extension of time and a leave to file and rely on additional pages in the claimant's applicant's final written address. It is essentially to regularize the claimant's final written address, my lord. If this honorable court is amenable, we are ready to move same, my lord.
Yes, Akunya, any objections to that?
None, my lord.
All right. So you move in terms of your application. Omenego.
My lord, we move in terms of our application dated 15th April 2026, subject to the convenience of this honorable court.
All right.
My lord, I can also confirm.
Uh-huh.
My lord, I can also confirm that we were served a copy of the defendant's reply on point of law this morning.
Okay.
Yes, my lord.
All right. Motion moved is granted as prayed.
As the court pleases.
Yes, please. So the defendant should go first.
Yes, my lord.
We are ready
Yes,
to adopt our
Akunya.
final addresses.
Adopt your final address. Yes.
Yes, my lord. Lord, is dated 29th April 2025.
All right.
My lord, I must humbly adopt all the arguments canvassed therein in support of the defendant's case, in urging your lordship to dismiss for lacking in merit. My lord, in further response to the claimant's final written address, we filed a reply on points of law dated today, the 6th day of March 2026. In the reply,
6th day of May. Not March.
reply. You must humbly of justice. You are most grateful. Yes, my lord. 6th of May today.
All right. Yes. Omenego.
Yes, my lord. The claimant's final written address is dated April 15th, 2026. And we beseech the honorable court to adopt all the arguments canvassed therein as the claimant's arguments in this case, my lord. We also pray this honorable court to dismiss and discountenance the defendant's the arguments canvassed in the defendant's final written address.
All right. The matter has been successfully adopted by all the parties. A date for judgment will eventually be conveyed to the parties in due course of time.
As the court pleases.
Great, my lord.
Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Thank you, my lord.
Have a nice day. Have a nice day,
nice-
gentlemen. Yes.
Have a nice day, my lord.
All right. Thank you. Call the next case, please.
So number NICN/LA/656/2018 between one Remy Ajibola and 7 others, and XL Management Services Limited and MS Integrated Services Limited. My lord, the matter is for motion. Are parties in court?
Is for what?
It's for motion, my lord.
All right.
Parties are absent.
No, the part, respectfully, my lord, one of the parties is Remy Ajibola. Please announce your presence.
Law first claimant present, others absent, defendants absent.
All right. Yes. Yes, counsel.
With utmost humility and profound respect to me, noble lord.
Yes.
Tiwalade Aderoju.
All right.
My humble appearance, my lord, is for the claimants. Respectfully, my lord.
Okay. Yes. Nobody for the defendants? There is no counsel for the defendants? Tiwalade, what is the motion you are talking about?
So, my lord, can I please give a very short summary of this matter? My lord,
Yes, please.
at the hearing before the last, we appeared before you, counsel, myself and the counsel to the defendants, and
Yes.
I took the honorable court through the history of the case, that the case commenced in 2018, and we had served the defendants multiple hearing notices. This is since 2018 till 2025. So the matter had been going on and they had been getting hearing notices. And when my lord had the circumstance of the case, in fact, we had already served our final written address. So it was when we served our final written address after 7 years, that's when they now appeared. Then my lord, in her wisdom now, they pleaded, they said they wanted to enter the case. And my lord said specifically that the only thing the honorable court would take from them will be their final written address. So my lord ordered them to file their final written address. But it was now a shock when they now came and filed motions to open their defense and to set aside the right of closure for their defense. So the matter was even scheduled for adoption of final written addresses. So most respectfully, that is the circumstance of the case, my lord, respectfully.
So as it is, they cannot continue holding the court to ransom. What will happen is
very well,
my lord, at the last adjourned date, the defendant's counsel was here, but the claimants were not present.
All right. So why are they not here today?
That was on the 19th of February this year.
But don't they have notice of hearing for today?
They picked the date themselves on this in courts.
This seems to be deliberate. I must say I'm not happy about this. I'm going. Yeah, Aqua, give me a very short date, like next week. You will adopt your final address, whether they like it or not. If they want to, they can come. If they don't want to, they can remain behind.
Very well, my lord. Most
Ye-
respectfully.
Yes, yes. So Aqua, give me a date next week.
14th of May.
14th of May is convenient, my lord. Most respectfully.
Okay, hearing notice is ordered to be served on the defendants. The proof to be filed in the registry. Case adjourned for definite adoption of final addresses on the 14th day of June 2026.
Escort places.
Most obliged, my lord. Thank you, my lord.
26th of May, 26th of May, not June.
14th, my lord.
14th of May.
Yes, yes, I said
1-4.
14th of May. Yes.
Most respectfully, my lord. Thank you.
All right. Then, gentlemen, have a nice day. Yes, next case.
Likewise to me, lord.
So number NIN/LA/38/2017 between Mr. Albert Omengwa and Access Bank PLC. Lord, the matter is for trial. Our parties in court.
May it please this honorable court.
Yes, please.
Oladayo Akimokun. My lord, I appear for the
Yes.
defendant, Access Bank PLC.
Yes, please.
My lord, the claimant counsel is not available. The matter is supposed to be for trial. They have a subpoena witness from the bank. However, they are not available to go on today. My lord, I would like to mention to this honorable court that the claimant has not really shown, from last year, they've not really shown diligence in further pursuing this matter because they are aware of these dates and still did not make themselves available. As a matter of fact, we had to be the one reaching out to them to confirm their availability, to confirm if they're ready to go on. But when we reached out to them, they told us that they will not be available today. They had other trials coming up. I wonder why we should be the one telling my lord, why they could not even inform the court itself of this fact. And for our subpoena witness, the same thing. This man, despite his position in the bank, he has been coming regularly. Had to cancel his some appointments just to be present in court for the claimant's matter to proceed. Late yesterday, we had to call him. That's why the fact that he must have set aside his appointment for today, we had to call him that the matter will not go on for trial because of the claimant's absence. My lord, in the circumstance, we'll be asking for cost of the day. Asking for cost of 150,000 naira, my lord. Against the claimant for truncating the business of the day.
I've had you counsel.
Yes, my
I
lord.
wonder why people will file cases and not come to prosecute them. So what will happen? We are going to adjourn this matter. I want you to remind me about this, your request for costs.
Yes, my lord.
And on that day, I am going to revisit it.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, please. So I can give you a date.
July 15th.
Is that okay?
16th of July, my lord.
Council, is that okay?
Yes, my lord. 16th is convenient.
Okay. Hearing notice is ordered to be served on the claimant and counsel. The proof to be filed, case adjourned to the 16th day of July 2026 for a hearing.
Escort,
Escort,
please.
please. What's great for my lord?
All right, thank you very much. Call the next case actor.
Lord, that will be all for the day.
All right. Very well then. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Have a nice day.
You too.
Mhm.
You too, my lord. Thank you, my lord.